All right, thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial on how to approach and what to use when you're cleaning a public bathroom that has multiple sinks and mirrors, or just a mirror and sink combo. So the first thing you need to have, of course, are your supplies. You're going to want 2 rags, one for the disinfectant spray, and of course disinfectant spray to go along with that, and then glass cleaner and a rag for the glass cleaner. We take both sugar bottles and using the disinfectant spray to spray the sinks, counters, anything that comes off the wall, such as soap dispensers, as well as paper towel dispensers, and faucets, of course, and spraying that simultaneously while spraying the glass cleaner on the glass, working your way from the front of the bathroom towards the rear. Once you get to the rear corner, you're going to work your way from the top down and, of course, back out the front door, wiping in an S motion, making sure to use the microfiber rag that's for the disinfectant only on the things that you use disinfectant for, and of course using the rag that you chose to clean the mirrors and the glass cleaner only on the glass cleaner. Hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.